Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do crafts and more, and they're going to be Thanksgiving. First thing we're going to do is our craft is going to be a turkey. And you will get a clothespin, and it's already painted brown. Then what I want you to do, you'll have a coffee filter. I want you to take your markers. If you've got a red one, a yellow one, an orange one, a green one, brown, just color the whole coffee filter. And then if you've got a little bottle that you can spray mist water on it and lay it out on the counter or on a paper plate and let it dry. Once it's dried, fold it, leave a little bit at the top, and then fold it not quite down as far as the middle, but about like this. Then put it in your clothespin, and you will have two googly eyes, you will have a nose, and you will have a little waddle. And then you have a little turkey that can stand up. And because our heat is on, it's blowing everything. But you will have a picture to show you exactly what it looks like. But it's yours. You do it however you want to, but you will have your own coffee filter, clothespin, your eyes, your nose, and your waddle. That's your craft. Then, for your snack, we're going to do an Oreo turkey. Alright, I've already got everything here. And what you will do, I lost a part of my feather. You will stick your candy corn for the feathers into your frosting at the very top. Then you will have some frosting, and you will dip it. You will get a yellow chocolate chip, only it's yellow. And you will dip it into your frosting and put it on your Oreo. Then you will have two edible eyes. Whoops. This Libby's not doing this too good. I got my frosting there. You'll have two edible eyes that go up there. And I will stick your other candy corn in. Whoops. And there is, it's hard for you to see, I know, your Oreo cookie. My finger's in the way there. But here is your Oreo cookie. And then, if you want to have a snack, then it's yours to eat. Our STEM project is going to be where you're going to pop popcorn. You're going to get a half a cup of popcorn in this bag. You will get two clear plastic cups. You will get a little container of oil, which will have 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You will pour 1/4 cup of your popcorn in 1 cup, and then pour your oil on top of it. Then the rest of it will go, you will pour the rest of your corn in your water. And you put 2 tablespoons of water in here, like you had 2 tablespoons of oil. And then cover it with your corn. Let it sit for an hour. Alright. You will get 2 paper bags. And once it's set for an hour, you pour your oil off into the sink and pour your popcorn into your bag and pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. then you have a taste test. All right, then pour your water off of your other popcorn, and you might want to pat them down with a little paper towel, and then pour it in your bag, pop it for 2 minutes, and taste it. What I want you to try to find out is two things. Which one tastes the best, and which one more of its kernels pop. Will it be the one with the water, or will it be the one with the oil? And which one will taste the best, the one with the water or the one with the oil? So you have 2 things I want you to find out from each one. And that will be on your sheet for you to check off, okay? And then you will have a picture of your turkey and your turkey snack in your bag. They will be ready Tuesday for you. First come, first serve. If you can't get in here, if you'll call the library, we'll be glad to fix you one for curbside with your name on it. Hope you enjoy it and have a great Thanksgiving.